Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kai.
Fuck, it's your boy Big Moosh, man.
And we back in another video, man. What is it, Stray Kids?
Yeah.
And man, we got Stray Kids, the sound. We haven't listened to Stray Kids in a minute, right?
Yeah. Probably like,
it's been a little minute.
what, like a month? Has it been a month?
A month is crazy.
Yeah, I think it
Has
has,
it?
bro. Where my
Y'all
phone
let
at?
us know in the comments how long it's been.
I know they've been
They been
trying to
requesting
get us
crazy.
to do it for a minute. Let me
Oh
see.
God.
Y'all go watch our other videos too, man. We dropped some videos on Yeet. We seen the opinions on that. You feel me? But
Oh yeah, we definitely seen that.
it is what it is. When's the last time we did this shit?
It probably has been a month. I ain't cut.
Yeah, I mean, the last time we did it, I did it by myself, but together, yeah, it's been a minute. Yeah,
Yeah, it's been a little minute.
it's been damn near a month and a half.
But hey, man, we back. You feel me? Back.
Y'all
with
want some more
Stray
Stray Kids, man? Y'all let us know, man.
Let us know in the comments, bro.
Go like, comment, subscribe, hit the.
Post notification, all that. Let's go.
Oh, they don't got the closed captions?
No way.
They don't got the closed captions.
しっかりとぶち込むリズムに now 答え導くベースドラムとギター感じるままにショーがっつりのせいけれど with the 感情テンポが
You want our translate? I know they be saying.
You know what they be saying?
Yeah, so
Alright,
like,
bet, let me know.
right there, he was like, "Yo, we shooting at the ops." You feel what I'm saying?
Oh shit,
Yeah,
Stray Kids said that.
Yeah, they be getting violent. Yeah,
Damn.
they be getting violent.
They be getting down.
On what?
Dang.
You ain't hear about Stray Kids?
I ain't hear shit.
Bro, ever since they went back to the city, man, the
Mhm.
crime rate been crazy. That's what I heard. You feel
자,
me?
driving me crazy a bit too very tight
느낌이 사랑이 아가타고 my tension 쏟아내긴 더운호태 웃다운 anthem
The crowd's gonna follow us 두둑게 삐차게 붙여 kill bang bang gotta shut it down now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spotlight This is the sound It's the sound 모래오 힘이 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다린다 This is the sound It's the sound
Lucky, I love the beat.
Lucky.
전화기로 포크라 놓고 애니어와
Hit that beat.
move it up
You feel me?
모자른 모둠은 나는 나의 fire 마크가 우리 대목하고 새 나의 감정 길이 나의呼吸 Let my breath out 이기우 쓸때 once more 하키다 써
컴퓨터 미치가 빠지카 아타라스 가로테 차타고 나시 아돌리볼리아 쇼디 후루 소착 오모이 코메디 cheers 스탠이 목힘을 단단 나니 목함은 pierce 이마 gotta fly down right now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spell This is the sound It's the sound 모래로 힘이 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다린다 This is the sound It's the sound 세계의 꽃은 날개를 포크라 놓고 애니어와 say move it up 붓고 터치는 rhapsody 딱 하나로 this melody I get to equal volume up max it up全てが一つになって広がるんだ
I gotta take it to this time I gotta take it to our sound Get down to destination This is our music life
모양가로 스테이지가 마약가로 라이프자 착한 나라 freedom beat 티슈 show music cut This is the sound It's the sound 모래오 힘이 간세
So they're low-key running this shit. I ain't gonna
Loki,
lie.
they need to hire you as a feature on G.
Who?
You, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, low-key. Put me as a feature, Stray Kids.
Oh, God, you be
I'll
talking
low-key run this shit up.
that.
I ain't
Facts,
gonna lie.
like, real shit.
네 아와세 태우고 기다린다 This is the sound It's the sound 세계의 꽃은 날개를 포크라 놓고 애니어와 say move it up
That's it. On them.
Damn.
What'd you get at? I'm gonna get at a 9.
At 9?
Yeah, because we haven't read time in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Being a
Yeah,
little
it has
tired.
been a little minute.
That was
so
cool though.
I'll give it like
I need more like slower songs, like with them saying they be low key singing tough too.
8.5.
8.5.
I wish it was like a music video though. No cap.
We're gonna get the music videos.
Maybe.
You feel me? I think we already did. We did this one already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that and this one. Yeah, we did both of them.
Cause their music videos, they be tough.
They
I
do
don't
be
care.
Hey, if y'all got any more suggestions of stuff we have react
Put
to,
in the
'cause
comments.
we react to a lot. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? So if there's anything out there,
That we
go to the
missed.
channel.
Yeah.
Y'all check if we ain't hit it, if we ain't get it done. Y'all let us know, man.
We're gonna get it done.
We're gonna get all the music videos done. If y'all really want us to do Stray Kids, whoever, Stray Kids, who else? BTS, Blackpink,
Order.
all that, man.
We
So
got
y'all let us
y'all.
know. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit the post notification.
We out, man.